Welcome to your first lesson in the ChatGPT Mastery course. In this lesson, we're going to start by answering one of the most important questions you might have. What is ChatGPT? If you're new to the world of artificial intelligence, you might be feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of ChatGPT. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. ChatGPT is an AI-powered computer program designed to comprehend and respond to natural language. It's essentially like having a robot that can write and talk like a human. Think of ChatGPT as a smart friend who can understand what you're saying and respond in a way that makes sense. It's trained on a massive data set of text, including both written and spoken language, which allows it to understand and generate a wide range of language, including grammar and word choice. When you ask ChatGPT a question or give it a prompt, it uses the knowledge it has gained from its training to generate a response that's similar to what a human might say. A prompt is simply a question or statement that you give to ChatGPT to help it know what you want it to talk about or what you want it to do. It's like asking your friend a question or giving them a task. This is why it can seem like you're having a real conversation with a person, even though it's just a computer program. In fact, ChatGPT is getting better every day because it's being trained on more and more data, and its algorithms are being fine-tuned to provide more accurate and natural responses. But ChatGPT's abilities go far beyond just answering questions. It has a vast range of real-world applications. For example, it can be used for content generation, article summaries, language translation, customer service, education, writing assistance, personal assistant, mental health support, research and development, and much more. ChatGPT's ability to understand and respond to natural language has made it an invaluable tool across a range of industries and fields. It's worth noting that there are different versions of ChatGPT, which vary in their size, complexity, and capabilities. Think of it like a toolbox. You can choose a bigger toolbox with more tools if you have a bigger project to do, or a smaller toolbox with fewer tools if you just need to do a simple task. In this course, we'll be focusing on the newest and most powerful versions of ChatGPT, called GPT-4. This version has a lot more tools than previous versions, and it's better at doing more complicated tasks. As its capabilities continue to expand, we can expect to see even more exciting applications of ChatGPT in the future. So whether you're a business owner, a student, a writer, or just someone who wants to chat, ChatGPT is here to help you.